Okay, so this is not a face reveal because I'm not in my face. Also, yeah, basically, I was actually really scared that the screen recording was not going to save, but luckily it did. Can y'all give a round of applause for Apple? It's just so kind they're doing this so I can upload this to my channel. I don't even know if this video is going to save. Let's hope it does. Okay, so, hello people. I might sound different because I'm not wearing my headphones, and I don't know if you can hear me clearly. I put my charger in my tablet, aka iPad. So, I have been saving it for a while. Now I'm a bit broken to bits because I bought a Tabby Bee, and I also bought a Star Treat. Pretty fun. So I'm gonna be turning one of my choosing, like, I'll be gifted today. Not very special, right? Alright, so I think I have ideas on which of these I want to make gifted. They are Gummy Bee, Puppy Bee, or Vicious Bee. First of all, Gummy Bee. Gummy is actually my nickname, and I like gummies. And Puppy Bee. Puppies are, aka dogs, are my favorite animal all time. Yeah. Vicious Bee, nothing really special about it. It's just a strong bee. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh. Alright, so Vicious Bee would help me get tokens faster and complete quests faster. So I looked at Gummy Bees. I don't even know if that is helpful or not. Let's look at Puppy Bee because I haven't seen Puppy Bees yet. Oh. I don't know. This is like, am I still recording? Yeah. I don't know. This is such a hard decision. And if you're still watching this, I might not post much because I'm trying to get my storage. Because, like, I don't know. I just have a lot of edits in there and I'm starting to delete them all. Because, I don't know, it keeps saying my storage is full, cries in 5 GB. That's just like iPad problems. I don't know, I play games on my iPad. I do have a phone, but I don't really use it as much. Oh, Vicious Bee is attacking in the rose field. What a coincidence. Oh, it did, Vicious Bee. What an even more coincidence. Even bigger coincidence, I mean. That's good English. Oh, okay. Didn't get a lot of honey from there. This is like so much pressure, to be honest. Oh, God. Seriously. Can I have a token, please? I don't even know anymore. So Puppy Bees is a bit useless. No offense to Puppy Bee. How about Tabby Bee? Critical. I don't. I don't even know anymore. No, is this supposed to be math? Okay, you know, I'm probably gonna. I'm probably gonna regret this, but I'm gonna give it to Puppy Bee. I don't even know why I'm doing this all. Can we level you up? No. Don't want to level up Lion Bee. Come on. Can you have something more? Or do I just have less? Because I spent it all. Okay. I saw that. Okay. Here's a tip. I've never done this before. Okay. Rascal Bee. So we're gonna give it some strawberries. 50. Okay. Come on. Okay, how about Bumblebee? We'll give you some blueberries. Blueberries. Stubborn Bee. Cool Bee. Whatever. You know what? I'm just gonna give it the Puppy Bee jelly. Alright. Am I still recording? Okay. Because sometimes it just pauses when I'm recording. I really hope I'm recording. I've never used Starship before. Hold on, I'm gonna get these sheets. I'm gonna get broken sheets. Gifted Puppy Bee. Let's feed you. Okay. A bit strange. Nothing strange. I'm just saying that for the sake of saying something because. Where are you? Look at that. Hold up. Look at that. Where are you? Stop. Oh, you're right here. It has a teal star on top with a stripe, and it's gray. I think he's really cute. Anyways, let's hope it's still recording. And we are. So I'm actually gonna be surprised if you're still watching this video. If you are, I just wanted to say I was finding. Are you actually kidding me? Okay. I've been grinding a lot, saving up for the pedal ones, but I can clearly afford it. Why? What's the point in even giving it a price if you have to practice to get it? That's just cruel. Okay? Anyways, I don't want this video to get deleted. It comes out of full storage. Let's hope it saves. Cross your fingers, guys. If you're seeing this right now, then it did, so. Bye.